is countable noun? The countable noun refers to the objects, things that can be counted as separate units and can be specified using numbers. Example for countable nouns: pen, spoons, books, students, eggs. These are examples for countable nouns. Let's see more examples here. 3 pens, 4 bottles, 6 boxes, 2 mangoes. Now, how about uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are objects that cannot be separated and counted individually. They do not have a plural form. Example for uncountable nouns: coffee, jam, meat, snow, rice. These are examples of countable nouns. Let's read more examples: flour, salt, milk, fruit, cotton. These are examples of uncountable nouns. Now, let's have an activity. Identify the countable nouns and the uncountable nouns.